Are you looking for a pretty dress to sew using elastic instead of a zipper closure? In this tutorial, we're going to sew the Ellery dress from scratch. This midi dress features a darling elastic poof sleeve and waist, open bag with adjustable tie strap, and high slit skirt. Hello, welcome to Fashion Wonder. My name is Sunju, the creator of this channel that helps you buy less, sew more, and make DIY clothing. I use the medium weight linen fabric, but you can also use cotton, poly blend cotton, or linen in solid or print as alternatives. It's your choice, so be creative when selecting the fabric. To sew a bust dart, turn the front dress right side facing each other and fold along the center front. Use a pin to poke a hole and mark the fish dart location on the sewing pattern. Flip the sewing pattern wrong side up and pin through the hole to mark the points with water erasable pen. Use a straight ruler and connect the points. Do the same on the other side. Fold the bust darts in half lengthwise and pin along the pen line. Start straight stitching from the bust dart notch and end at the point without stitching back and forth. Instead, double tie the end and press the dart facing towards the waist. To finish back opening on top bodice, place right side of bias cut straps on the right side of both of the back top pieces and pin along the edges. Straight stitch 1/4 inch width and open the strap to edge top stitch close to the seam line. Fold the bias strap over the wrong side of the back top, then double fold and pin to cover the raw edges. Straight stitch along the folded strap and press to finish. To sew top bodice of dress, lay the right side of the front top and back top facing each other. Pin both sides of the shoulder and only on the top part of the side seam where the back pieces are joining. Sew 3/8 of an inch with seam allowance along the shoulder and side seams. Overlock the raw edges to prevent fraying and press the seams toward the back. Fold the overlock side seams of the front top pieces facing inside and 1/4 inch top stitch to connect the in-binding stitch line of the back top pieces. This will help to secure the seams so they stay in place without showing. To sew self fabric in-binding around the neckline, place remaining bias cut strap around the right side of the front top neckline and pin along. Quarter inch width straight stitch around starting from back to front. Open the bias cut strap and edge stitch close to the previous stitch line. Double fold the strap towards the inside of the front and back top pieces and pin to cover the raw edges. Edge top stitch the neckline and cut the remnant bias cut strap at the ends of the back top neck. Press the in-binding for a clean finish and remove any puckering. Next, prepare spaghetti strap by folding the bias cut strap wrong side facing each other and pin. Sew 1/4 inch width straight stitch along the pin and cut the seam allowance to 1/8 of an inch so it is easy to flip inside out. Use loop turner to flip the strap inside out. Press the strap and cut into 4 equal length pieces. Attach the spaghetti tie on top bodice by locating both ends of back top neckline and side seams. Pin and stitch back and forth to secure the tie on each side. To sew elastic poof sleeve, adjust the stitch length to 5.0 and 1/4 inch width straight stitch along the top of the sleeve pattern between the notches. Fold the sleeve pattern so the right sides are facing each other and sew 3/8 of an inch width straight stitch under arm. Overlap to finish and press the seam towards the back sleeve. Overlap the elastic about 1/4 inch to 3/8 of an inch and zigzag stitch to join the elastic and create a circle. Fold the elastic in half and mark with erasable pen to evenly distribute the gathering. Pin the elastic on the seam and half points around the sleeve opening. Use overlap machine to join the elastic and stretch as you sew. Fold the attached elastic and edge top stitch to cover the elastic toward the inside. To attach poof sleeve to bodice, slide the right side of the sleeve through the top bodice and match the notches to pin around. Straight stitch 3/8 of an inch width and overlock to finish the edges. Next, sew skirt part of the midi dress. Overlock the edges separately along the front seams of center front skirt and side front skirt pieces. Place the right side of the center front skirt and side front skirt matching the overlock seams together. Measure from the hemline 14 inches up and pin. Straight stitch 3/8 of an inch width from the pinned position to the waist. Press the seam open and 1/4 inch straight stitch all around the slit. On the right-hand side of the skirt, simply lay the right side of the center front skirt and side front skirt facing each other. Then, 3/8 of an inch width straight stitch and overlock to finish. Press the seam toward the side seam. Join the front and back skirt pieces by sewing side seams together with 3/8 of an inch width seam allowance and overlock to finish. Lastly, assemble the poof sleeve open back midi dress. Lay the right side of the top bodice and skirt pieces facing each other and match the center front notches to pin. Overlap the elastic and zigzag stitch to join and make a circular shape. Mark the 4 equal parts around the elastic and pin around the waistline on the center front, center back, and both side seams. Overlock around the waistline to join elastic and skirt by stretching as you sew. Fold the waist seam towards the bottom and straight stitch along the edges to hide the elastic and overlock stitches. Overlock the hemline and single fold to finish the hem with 1/4 inch width around. Give a nice press all around the dress and tie the straps at the back to enjoy your finished Ellery midi dress. Thank you for watching. Hope this video inspires you to make the Ellery dress with me. If you like this sewing tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next sewing challenge. Scroll all the way down to the description below to locate the Ellery dress sewing pattern. Additionally, you can find step-by-step picture instruction on the website for you to follow. Share your DIY dress on Instagram at #FashionWonderOfficial to get featured and follow us for more inspiration. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!